Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to clear your YouTube watch history directly from the YouTube mobile app. This is really helpful if you want a fresh start, keep your recommendations clean, or simply maintain your privacy. Let's begin. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile menu in the top right corner. From the menu, open the History option. Now, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the history page. From the list of options, select Clear All Watch History. Confirm your choice, and your entire watch history will be deleted. And that's it! You've successfully cleared your YouTube watch history on mobile. From now on, your previous activity won't affect recommendations, and your history will look completely clean. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple YouTube tips and tricks.